Day 3 today, and we're gonna sell. Yeah. Okay, so on this trade, right, we just entered with 1,000. Again, expiration time 30 seconds. um and we've waited patiently. All right. So the other thing that I want you guys to know is that when you're using a trading strategy, just make sure that you're following the rules just as they are. The best thing is just to make sure that out of maybe 10 trades, if you're still starting out, you're always winning 7 trades and above. All right. Okay, so today we just made another 870, still the McDonald's stock on OTC market. Just keep following the account, and with the same guys that I've been teaching and mentoring, just make sure that you keep doing the same thing. I love you so much, guys. It's Palm from Trading with Palm. Happy trading day. Okay, as you can see, guys, we're on this trade, right? $1,000, and then today I'm trading Euro USD, and it has profited. It was paying 89%, as you can see, 890. All right, so we didn't manage to reach 13k. All right, because I had made a couple of losses on some small trades, but then on a big trade we now reached 12.9. All right, so also take care, guys, of take advantage, sorry, of some of the free tournaments that are on this platform, where you can just trade even if you don't have money and make something out of it. So keep following, and if you want to see some of the trades that I'll be placing, just make sure you join my students, and then you see how it goes, and then you learn. Love you so much, guys. It's Pam from Trading with Pam. Okay, guys, so make sure that when you're using this strategy, your EMA2 is way below the EMA5. That is if you're selling. And then check for the confirmation of the parabolic side. Just like as you can see in this situation, with the first dot of the parabolic side at the top there. All right, so same settings, and then we invested $1,000 on this trade, and then we're trading CAD CHF. Just remember that all the way that I'm trading, you can actually do the same if you're using even $100 or $50. All right, and then we want this trade. Now we've reached 13,837. Let's keep moving. The target is 30k. All right, some of the trades I'm making losses, but whenever I'm making losses, I'll be trading like very small amounts. I only risk when I see that it's a very good confirmation. Love you guys. It's Pam from Trading with Pam. Happy trading day. Okay, guys, we on day 6. All right, so same rules. The EMA2 way below the EMA5, right? And our expression time 30 seconds. I invested 1,000 again. So let's just watch how this trade is gonna end. All right, one of the most important things is just to stick to the rules and make sure that out of 10 trades you're winning at least 7 trades and above. Okay, and then we won this trade, so another 1,800 is a total profit. Now we're on 14,000. All right, so just keep following, join my communities, TWP, and just make sure that you enjoy the lessons. Love you so much, guys. It's Pam from Trading with Pam. Happy trading day. Oh, if you notice, guys, it has taken us quite some time to get to 30k. All right, because the approach is that make a certain percentage every day consistently. All right, it ain't supposed to be gambling. It's gotta be someone who's working, but then the best thing is that you're working from home. All right, so that's the best approach when you're trading. All right, so let's see how this trade is gonna end. All right, now we own 15k. All right, so keep following, guys. This is how you're supposed to trade. Make a little every day, and we're gonna get to that 30k. Love you so much, guys. It's Pam from Trading with Pam. Join the lessons and see what's happening behind the scenes. I love you guys. Okay, guys, so the only difference from the only difference between the EMA and the SMA is that the EMA, it favors the slightly recent prices, All right, so here we're using the EMA2 and the EMA4. If we're using the SMA2 and the SMA EMA2 and EMA5, if we're using the SMA2 and SMA5, in this case it wouldn't be that much of a very big difference, because these EMAs, they are just calculating just a few periods. All right, so we won this trade. Now we're at 17,000. All right, so that's just the difference that we have between the SMA and the EMA. All right, so keep following, guys. Target 30K. Hopefully we're gonna reach it very fast. Support and resistance is something that you shouldn't worry about so much, simply because of the settings that we have on these indicators, especially from the parabolic SAR. When it turns, when it reverses. All right, and don't forget the beginner classes for free. They're starting on the 20th. All right, so you can see this trade I just placed like 2,000 because it was so precise. All right, so the first one is giving us a 900, the second one is giving us a 900. Join the beginner classes. These ones are free, and we have reached 19,500. So let's keep pushing, guys. Let's keep moving. Patience is key. Don't forget that. Wait until you find a very good execution. That's how money is made in the markets. Don't gamble. Now, if you notice the previous situation where there was where the price just jumped, like going down on that first dot of the parabolic SAR in the previous rally, remember I said that obviously the market is going to try and cover that gap. All right, so that's the reason why we had to wait. All right, so let's check how this trade is going to end. And remember, we say that when you're using this strategy, just make sure that there is no much noise in the market. All right, so we made another 900 bucks, and that's how you can wait if you see a situation like that. So that's what's up, guys. Now we're on 21K. All right, let's keep moving. In a trade. All right, so in this case, I'm just gonna sell here with $1,000, and let's see how this trade is gonna end. Right, also join the free lessons on the 26th of October. Inbox me, and then I'll give you all the details. All right, that's what's up. We've made another 870 on this trade. Now we're on 23K. All right, so don't forget the 26th. If you want to join, be a part of it. Okay, check this opportunity, right? And in this situation, I'm placing like 4K at the same time, and now I can actually trade with even a 4,000 in a trade. Why? Because at least now the account has grown a little bit, right? So, and that was a very perfect situation. Our EMA2 way below the EMA5, and then our parabolic side reversed. And if you check at the top there was a little bit of a consolidation. And if you remember what we talked about when we were talking about market structure, that consolidation, it gives us a hint that the market is struggling to keep going up. All right, so we're now at 27K, just a 4K in just one trade. And one thing that you've learned, guys, okay, so this trade I'm entering with another 3,000. So I just placed three trades of $1,000 each, right? If you check, just like we mentioned before, we're trading in a market that's trending. All right, and then also if you check there was a little bit of okay, that's my network there. There was a little bit of just a short consolidation, all right, and then the market started going up again, and then we entered that trade. All right, so this the profits. All right, now we at 29,000. All right, so we only left with just one trade to hit our target, that's 30k. All right, and we're gonna wait again for a long time until we see a very good situation. If you check this trade, I've placed like a couple of $1,000s. All right, so let's just see how it's gonna end. All right, and remember that if this trade wins, we have reached our target and probably surpassed it a little bit, which is 30k. All right, so go check out all the videos. I think it has taken us something like 14 days. All right, go check out other videos from day 1 up to day 14, how we reached the 30k. So the main thing that you should take home is that patience is key. All right, and discipline. When you've reached the target, it's done. All right, so Spam from Trading with Palm, guys. Love you so much. Join the lessons on the 26th. I don't think I'm gonna do this again where I trade an account for a couple of days consistently taking videos, because it was a little bit stressful.